Today we talk about how can you create community on your Amino app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on edit profile here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on linked communities, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. So then here you will click here on create a new community here. Then here can you create your community here. If you want to click here on internet friends or real world friends or play here, can you select. So then it's you click here on create, and it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.